No. Get a garden hose or something. Get a garden hose, just don't stand there. Get a garden hose. Hello, get your garden hose. Get your garden hose. Get a... There's propane tanks.
There's propane tanks. Get away from it. Get away! Get your dog in the house! Get your dog all in the house! House, please!
Somebody got a garden hose. Live Calgary, Alberta, Canada. We're in Falcon Ridge. We got a trailer on fire. Yes, John the Baptist on the recording. There's my brother. What's happening? Live recording.
Games, dog.
Yeah.
No, I have to do. Oh, I just see it. Dude, your time is too full. Okay, man. It's done. Let's see how the firefighters do it.
That was one.
No, we're good. We're good.
I feel a real blow up all day. Listen. Don't worry, man. I deal with the real McCoy, bro.
Yeah, I'm behind.
All good. Live and direct. That's our local boys.
There comes the boys in blue.
Oh, that's all good. We're live.
Hello. Yeah, hey, can you just come in about 5 minutes? Get out of here. Oh, I'm not leaving in 1 minute. We talked through the fence and we're out.
I gave mine to Boomer.
What's the same one from the map? We just got through the yard and it's easy.
Foam. Vulture. Ooh, that guy goes, what the fuck, dude? It's out pretty well.
I told you it was in the back. You moved it? the young.
Good. That's it.
We got through this one, maybe.
It's done. That's it. Splash. Calgary, Alberta, Canada, y'all. This is John the Baptist saying what's up. Peace, love, and unity, all my brothers and sisters out there. This is just down my alley. Yeah, just show you how people are kind of a little backwards. There's about 15 people that could have easily put garden hoses on this puppy and had it out long before the fire department got here. They all just went and got their cameras, stood around and watched this thing burn. It's a little ironic, eh? Just show you how people have gotten dumbed down in society. You know, all this damage, most of it could have been prevented, but nobody wanted to do nothing. There you go. Calgary, Alberta, Canada. That's how we do it, baby.